Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the price of Bitcoin because Bitcoin is forming this very interesting pattern. It's an ascending triangle, and if you've watched the channel for the last couple of videos, we have seen multiple ascending triangles forming on Bitcoin, which is broken absolutely phenomenally to the upside. However guys, before I continue, nothing in this video is financial advice. This is just my own personal TA only. It could be 100% right, it could also be 100% wrong. So make sure to always do your own research before trading or investing. I personally recommend looking at different analysts and then coming to your own conclusion by learning your own TA, which I teach in this video right there in the top right hand section. But guys, let's jump into the video. So we have, of course, this ascending triangle forming on the price of Bitcoin. Now, you know, people could mistake this for a bull flag because, of course, we have this huge price movement to the upside, but this is not a bull flag. A bull flag would be it would look more parallel. So this is an ascending triangle. However, ascending triangles do usually break to the upside. So our potential target for this ascending triangle, if it were to break to the upside, would be, we just place it above this breakout right here. It would give us the target of $26,657. However, if we see a break to the downside, which is of course equally possible as well, and we're going to look at the oscillators in just a second to give us a guidance to see which side we can potentially break to. But if we do break to the downside, then the target for Bitcoin would be $23,463, and it would also be hitting this prior swing low as well. But guys, before I continue, make sure to check out my Telegram channel. Also, it's completely for free, and the link is in the description below. I try to put up, you know, as much alpha as I possibly can, and give back to the community. Also, I do some giveaways, etc. So like there. So make sure to check out the channel. And also, guys, I'm uploading a video. I did 2 amazing videos with Coin Bureau, so I'm going to be uploading them. And if you join the Telegram chat, you can get a chance to vote which video you want to see first. So also make sure to check that out. But guys, if we go back to the price of Bitcoin, let's have a look at our oscillators. Now, this is the 4-hourly chart, so make sure to know that. The MACD looks like it's reversing on the bar graph. However, it's not confirmed that we've seen the green bar yet, so I would personally wait for the first green bar to flash. The MACD line looks like it's reversing. However, again, it's not confirmed yet, so I would be waiting for that. But the stochastic is heading up, and that is confirmed. So that is the first thing that I'd be looking at. But of course, if I jump into the 1-hourly chart, we are seeing the stochastic just cross to the downside. However, it could flip bullish once more, so we'd have to wait for this candle to close in 51 minutes. But the MACD is heading to the upside, yet the bar is coming to the downside also. But equally on the 1-hourly chart, we can also see a little mini bull flag forming. You know, actually, it's not a bull flag, it's a bullish pennant, right? So bullish pennants do have a chance, you know, it can break both ways. Pennants can break both ways, but it's important to note that on the 1-hourly chart, we are seeing this bullish pennant. Now, the conservative target would actually exactly hit the top of the resistance of our ascending triangle. And if we come back to the downside, then the target would be $24,625 for this pattern here. But if you want to have that, you know, crazy, very optimistic target, then you can measure it up with the pole of the flag, and then that would give us the upwards target of this resistance, which we have on the daily time frame. Now, if we check the daily time frame, we are seeing this broadening wedge form on Bitcoin, and that pattern, if breakout, would take us to the top of this resistance of this broadening wedge. Now, I'm going to show you what broadening wedges look like, and you know, which way they're likely to break. So give me a second, let me pull that up. Okay, so what we can see, as you saw, is an ascending broadening wedge. Let me show that once more so you can see that comparison. So we've got that broadening wedge, and now ascending broadening wedges do usually break towards the upside, but it does take a longer time for us to see that confirmation compared to other patterns that we see usually. So this broadening wedge, I don't want to measure its target because we do have different levels that we should be on the lookout for. But the first one that we have to be aware of is, of course, this $25,200 target, which we slightly went above and got lots of liquidations in our short positions that we have placed above because that was the prior swing high. And now we do need to break above this 25.2K, and it's super crucial, and make sure to bounce with volume to get to this next level target, in my opinion, because that one is a huge target. If I show you on the weekly chart, we have multiple supports, multiple touches back to this level here. So we have back in the 18th of January 2021, then we have 21st of June 2021, and then of course we have 16th of May 2022. So this level is super crucial, upon which we would probably see a lot of rejection just because it is a very crucial area. And then the second target above would be the 31.6K level, which I think is super, it's a bit unnaturalistic currently in my opinion. But also the final thing to note on the price of Bitcoin is, let me draw it out for you guys very quickly. It is a parallel channel that we had been forming for a quite long time actually. So let me get my parallel channel tool here. I'm going to include the wicks, of course, and this is what we do. So we have been forming this parallel channel for the last basically couple of months. So what we would have to see is if we get rejected here, and currently it looks like a reversal candle, we could come back to potentially 21.29K dollars if we reverse from this level. But guys, I'm going to look at the S&P. The S&P is going to open in around 15 minutes. However, we are potentially seeing this head and shoulders pattern on the S&P. Of course, it's not confirmed yet, but if we do break down from this, this channel that we're seeing here, a retest back to these two MAs is possible. And of course, if we look at the DXY, now the DXY is facing a lot of resistance, especially from these EMA candles here, which we mentioned in the last couple of videos that we could see a lot of resistance. And of course, there was a reversal candle right there. So we could potentially come back down to this zone. And of course, the DXY is inversely correlated with the price of Bitcoin, meaning if the DXY falls down, then Bitcoin will go up to the upside, and that could cause this ascending triangle and this broadening wedge to break to the upside. However, guys, that is it for me today in today's video. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video. The last couple of videos you guys have been smashing with likes, and that is super awesome, guys. I don't know how to thank you, but thank you so much for watching, of course. And again, you can check out the Telegram channel to vote which video you want to see with the updates I've made with Coin Bureau. But guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, hopefully tomorrow. So take care and bye-bye.